He's just giving it to us. Loser.
However, this mountain range is very, very, very old. Okay, so there has been a lot of erosion over the last 100 million years or so. Now what has happened with this erosion, it has pitted out the igneous rock and the metamorphic, and it kind of acts like, looks like a sponge now. Got all these little holes that the water can drain into. And what happens is the water drains through it, picks up minerals, the rain falls, and then the ground soaks it up through all these little holes that have been caused by erosion over the last few 100 million years. So the water seeps down into these little porous areas, and it goes into the mountain, and then it spits back out in little springs. The Hawksbill Creek, does everyone know where that is?
Changing. So 0?
Yep. So which one is that? I know.
Hardness.
Hardness? Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So what do we write down? 0?
Yeah.
Alpha leg. Next we're doing
What temperature in Celsius?
Yes, sir.
Alright, Bree, do him one and then after 10 minutes we'll take us out.
What do you mean?
What you're going to do is dip it in the water for 10 seconds, and when you're dipping it,
Did you break the tip? Yeah, just leave it in there for 2 minutes, swirl it around a little bit.
Get it out, shake it, and then we're going to wait 20 seconds and match it.
Granny, you can look okay.
And plus it wasn't mixed, I really didn't care.
You want to take that tip over to the
Just about there.
Where's Destiny? Destiny! Oh, all the way over there. I got to cross over the river and everything. Why you gotta be all the way over here, Destiny?
Destiny!
We're in there, Johnny.
I would jump on that.
10:27. So under the first column where it says time, make sure you write down 10:27. So for the very first one, sulfate, Deanna.
0.
So everyone needs to write down 0 for sulfate. Everyone got it down? Okay. Who has the next one?
I was going to say that. So what was your question?
You're going under Lewis Springs. You should be writing under Lewis Springs. Lewis, that's what this is called. It's a spring where the water comes out of the ground.
Lewis Spiring.
So what's under sulfate? So phosphate's 0.1. So everyone put 0.1 for phosphate. Who had dissolved oxygen? Okay, what'd y'all have? 11. That's a good number. So 11 for dissolved oxygen. What's the next one?
Dissolved solids.
Who had dissolved solids? What'd y'all have? 11 for dissolved solids. And all these units are parts per million. We'll discuss that here in a second. So then iron. Who had iron? 0. No iron. Danielle, what did you have for the strips here?
6.5.
6.5. And temperature. Who had temperature? What'd you get?
7 degrees Celsius.
7 degrees Celsius. Chlorine. Who had chlorine? 0.1. That's interesting. 0.1. Nitrates.
0.
0. Nitrites.
0.
0. And then hardness.
0.
0.